Okay, next we discuss about the chemistry of acid anhydride. Okay, there are two. First, we want to prepare acid anhydride, and number two, reaction involved for acid anhydride. Okay, look at the preparation of acid anhydride or synthesis of acid anhydride. Okay, first from acyl chloride, heating carboxylic acid and heating dicarboxylic acid. Okay, first is from acyl chloride. So we want to produce acid anhydride. First, acid chloride react with carboxylate salt. This one is carboxylate salt. Okay, by insoluble ether can be used to prepare both symmetrical or unsymmetrical anhydride. Okay, so this one so form acid anhydride. Number two, reaction of carboxylic acid with an acyl chloride. Carboxylic acid react with acyl chloride by using pyridine, okay, to form acid anhydride. Number two, synthesis by using the heating carboxylic acid with P2O5 or zinc oxide. Okay, symmetrical anhydride is mean the alkyl group both of acyl are same. So heated using P2O5, this reagent. Okay, this one 2 carboxylic acid react with this reagent to form acid anhydride, symmetrical acid anhydride. So this one we want to prepare acid anhydride by using heating dicarboxylic acid. Okay, heating dicarboxylic acid at high temperature. So heating dicarboxylic acid using high temperature because of there are 2 OH at the end of the acyl group. Okay, so that's why we need a high temperature to produce acid anhydride, and side product is water. So next we look at the reaction of acid anhydride. So there are 4 reactions. So first, we look at the reactivity of acid anhydride. We want to compare acid anhydride with the acyl chloride. Ethanoic anhydride has a bulky ethanoate group attached on the carbonyl carbon. Ethanoyl chloride has a simple Cl atom attached on the carbonyl carbon. Okay, please imagine there are 2 types of derivative of carboxylic acid, acid anhydride, which is general formula RC double bond OR. Acyl chloride is RC double bond OCl. So if we compare both of these carboxylic acid, you can see that acid anhydride is more bulky compared to acyl chloride. So therefore, ethanoic anhydride is less reactive compared to acyl chloride due to the bulky structure of acid anhydride. Okay, so first reaction is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is mean this acid anhydride react with this water to form alcohol, 2 types of alcohol. Okay, this acid anhydride react with this water. Okay, if in condition acidic, so it become 2 types of alcohol. If acid anhydride react with water in basic condition, so will give the alkoxide product. Okay, look this one. So there are formed 2 types of alcohol because of in acidic condition. If basic condition, so it form the it's formed alkoxide. Next is alcoholysis. Okay, alcohol react with acid anhydride to form ester and carboxylic acid. Okay, this is an example, esterification. Okay, so carboxylic acid react with the acid anhydride in this reagent to form ester. So next is aminolysis. Amide can be prepared through aminolysis of acid anhydride with ammonia, primary and secondary amine. Okay, acid anhydride react with the ammonia or secondary amine. So we produce the product is depends on the type, the classification of amine. Okay, next is Friedel-Crafts of acylation of benzene. Acid anhydride react with the benzene to produce ketone. Okay, acid anhydride react with the benzene, okay, reagent to form ketone. And then side product is carboxylic acid. Okay, here benzene and then form ketone. Okay, this one is ketone, this one is carboxylic acid. If this acid anhydride react with the benzene, aromatic.